How to recover your deleted Instagram post. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few ways to recover your Instagram deleted post. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have deleted your Instagram post by mistake or you just want to recover it, then you just have to follow these simple steps. So the very first thing that you want to do is check your recently deleted folder. Your recently deleted files or folders or posts will be saved there for 30 days. So if it hasn't been 30 days, you can easily check your recently deleted. So head over to your profile, tap on the three lines icon, and then head over to your activity. And here you will find the recently deleted folder. So just tap on it. And if you have something on your recently deleted, for example, I'm just going to delete this for now to show you guys. So you can find it on your recently deleted pictures. So just tap on your activity and then your recently deleted. Now you'll find this post here for 30 days, and if you want to restore it, you can do that right here. This is the first method. The second method is to actually check your archives, because if you don't see your post or your reel on your profile, then that probably means that you have accidentally moved it to your archives folder. So just head over to archive and then tap on post archive, and as you can see, if you find it on your post archive, you can tap on it to show it on your profile. Now, the other thing that you can do is download your information. So just tap on your activity and then scroll all the way to the bottom, download your information. And then from here, you can easily download your information and request your download. So that way you can find your deleted post. So these are a few methods to recover your deleted Instagram post. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.